Hi friends, today in this video we can check how we can set up SEO for our website. When a person searches on Google about a topic or about a keyword like this, they can see some suggestions from Google, and when they click on a particular keyword, and the Google search result will be look like this. So if your website on the first page of Google, you will get a higher chance to get visited by the person, so the visitors will click on your website and they will come to your website if it is on Google's first page. As you can see, this is the website which we have created on the previous video. If you do not watch, you can watch there. Okay, this is one of the keyword I am searching on Google, and you can see a lot of websites have the same keyword like this. So now we are also going to add the keyword for this keyword for our website. You can see the keyword like this, and this is the title for the keyword, and a meta description is available for the keyword. So now we also have a product like this on our website. Okay, and when a person come to the website and they can purchase the product like this, and they can complete the checkout and they can place the order. Okay, now we can set up SEO for our website, and this is a small introduction for the SEO. So to set up SEO, you will get a free plugin, Rank Math. Just click on add new, and it have lot of functions and it is very powerful and easy to configure. So just click on Rank Math on the plugin section of your website like this, and now just click on install now. You can see it is one of the fastest growing plugin on the SEO section. Now just click on install and wait for to install the SEO plugin. You can see Rankmath SEO is installed now. Just click on activate. Okay, once the plugin is activated, you have to connect a free account. So just click on that, connect your account. If you want, you can also skip now option, but I'm just clicking on connect to your account. Now you can log in with your Google or Facebook account. After that, come to the Rankmath section again and just click on connect to your account. Okay, now the plugin is activated as a free plan. Now just click on OK, activate now option. Here you can click on the advanced section. Click on start wizard. Here you can set up your website details like this. If you are running an e-commerce website, you can just click on web shop, and business type is what type of website is that. This website is for cakes, so I choose bakery. Now you can add the logo for your website like this. You can add the logo and the default social share image. All this you can configure according to your requirements. And once you added all the details, click on save and continue. Now on the analytics page, you can connect to Google services. You can just click on the connect Google services and you can connect it to the Google, and you can select the options and click on continue. Once your Google Analytics is connected, you can select your search console option. You can do it later also. You can choose the AdSense option. This is for the Pro plan. Now just click on save and continue. And here you can enable all the options like this as you are seeing in the video. You can select and enable all these options and click on save and continue. And you can also click on save and continue here also. Okay, now our site is ready. Now just click on setup advanced option, and here you can enable the role manager. Here the role different users of your website can configure SEO like this. If you enable the role manager, there is a 404 monitor is available. For this you can enable or disable. And schema type for the post. By default all the options are okay for our SEO. If you want, you can change all the options like this. Once you make any changes, click on save and continue. Now you can see a dashboard like this, and here you will get the online documentation and the support from the plugin authors, and all the details you can see here. On the general settings tab, you can just set up your SEO plugin settings. You can just strip category base. You can remove the category base here. If you want, you can enable that, and all these options you can enable or disable according to your choice. And once you make any changes, click on save changes, and the breadcrumbs option is available. If you want, you can enable the breadcrumb options, and you can just separate character. You can choose from this list, and the home page label option is available, and you can type the home page label. You can hide post title, and all these options you can do here. And the images section, you can enable the add missing alt attributes, and you can just choose these options as you are seeing in the video. You can change the alt attribute format. You can add missing attribute format. Webmaster tool available. Here you can connect to the search console. Okay, now just click on the search console option. You can see a code is available. You can just copy and paste it, and or you can just click on verify. Now our website is verified on the search console, and you can see robot.txt. All these options you can just enable and you can check. Okay, you can just remove the category base or our website URL section. Now click on save changes. Okay, now you can see our product option is gone from here. Now we can go to the settings and just click on permalinks, and just select the permalink structure from here. Click on post name and click on save changes, and now come to the product page and just refresh, and you can see our website is permalinks look nice. Okay, now like that you can edit the .htaccess file. Don't do any changes on that. can just leave it like this, and you can just select the analytics section. Once you make the changes, click on save changes like this. Click on titles section. You can enable the options on the for the title options of our website. You can change the separator character. You can, if you want, you can capitalize the titles, and click on save changes like this. Click on local SEO section. You can add your details like this. You can change the opening format. All this you can choose according to your requirements, and you can add all your data. Okay. Now just click on social meta option. Here also you can add your Facebook URL, all these things, and the home page section, post format, all this you can change. You can change all these things. And click on post option. Here you can change the post options for the SEO. You can change the schema type, description, and all these things you can change here. Links, suggestion, titles. If you want, you can select the titles, or you can select the focus keyword. From this list you can add. Now click on save changes, and you can select the pages option, attachment options. All this you can change. You can see a page title here, and the default option you can change according to your requirement. Landing page and the product page, etc. You can add all the options, enable or disable. Now just click on the products option. You can select the schema type here also. You can select the focus keyword. You can add the SEO controls, bulk editing option, primary taxonomy is for the product category. Now just click on save changes. Okay, like this categories option is available, and all these are very easy and you can manage. And this plugin is totally free, so you can just install it from your WordPress dashboard itself, and it have more features than Yoast SEO, so you can just download and you can try it, and it will get a better result. So you can use this. You can see your sitemap here. So all the sitemap of our website is added on the sitemap section by default, and all the sitemap settings you can enable on landing page, product page, etc. All these options you can just enable or disable here. Product tags, categories, you can enable or disable. And once you make any changes, click on save changes. Now on the role manager section, as we discussed earlier, you can choose the users for different roles. You can select the 404 monitor option, redirection option. All this you can configure here. Click on SEO analytics, and all this you can just check on your website. Now we can see how we can set up a product for the SEOs. Now just click on edit for a product. Now this is one of our product, so we are just configuring it for SEO. Okay, now we are just copying the title and I'm just adding the title as a keyword. If you have what is your view on the keyword, just copy that particular keyword. I'm just adding as an example like this. Okay, now you can see what all the things is correct or wrong on the basic aesthetics here. You can add the title, you can add a description like this. So when a Google search result, you can see a title, descriptions like this, and the description length you can see here. So if you want, you can add more text to the title. You can add some text to the title, and you can see the permalink of the title, and you can see this is the main keyword. Okay, now you can see the changes here. All these things you can see here. The product description you can add. You can make any changes according to the suggestions from the Rankmath. You can see here. You can see all the suggestions here. Your content is 194 words long, and if you want, you can increase for 600 words. So this is a demo website. I am not going to do that. You can just try it. You can just add an image with your focus keyword. So you can just add your featured image with your focus keyword. You can add that. Now that problem is solved. Like that, you can see all the options here. You can add a link for your website like this. So like this, the SEO score will change. You can see some more suggestions about your title readability. You can just add a title readability options. You can just try that. Now just click on the edit snippet option, and you can see here you can add just some suggestions. You can add a text like this. Now you can see our SEO score is increased. You can add some words like this. Once you make the changes, just close that, and you can see the SEO score is changed. Like that, when you can see the suggestions, and you can edit all your SEO settings like this for your website, like the content readability. All these things you can just try it on your website, and this is for the free plugin. Now just click on update. Now go to the pages option, and we can edit the pages also. You can go to the pages section. We can set up a SEO for a home page. Now just click on edit. Now you can just configure SEO for our website. You can see this is a classic editor option. Now go to the plugin settings, click on add new, and we can just disable the Gutenberg option. Now just install disable Gutenberg and just install. Once install the plugin, just click on activate and the plugin get activated. Now go to the pages option and click on all pages option. Here you can set up your SEO. Now just click on edit page section, and now you can see the page settings is changed, and you can see your SEO options here on the preview section. All this option now you can see. Now just click on the edit snippet section. Here you can add a title for your website. Like this you can add the title. So when you can click on the Google search result, you can see the title like this, and you can add the description. You can select the focus keyword from the title, and you can add the focus keyword, and the rank math will also suggest some keyword like this. Now you can see your SEO score, and you can improve it by the rank math suggestions. You can see the rank math suggestions here. You can just select that particular suggestions, and you can change the errors one by one, that suggestions. Okay, like this you can click on the advanced option and the schema options. All these options you can see here, and you can select all these options. Once you make the changes, click on update, and now your SEO section is completed. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel, and the link for the plugin I will give in the description box below. Thank you once again for watching the video.